Importing assets can be a very time-consuming process. Have you wished to import less assets and work more procedural? With Geometry Script, you can do just that. The following shows a simple implementation of a procedural fence with Geometry Script. Before getting into it, make sure you have the Geometry Script plugin enabled. Then, create an actor that fully supports Geometry Script, Generated Dynamic Mesh Actor. The main event you'll want to use here is Event on Rebuild Generated Mesh, which is like the construction script but for Geometry Script actors. The fence is made out of posts and rails, the middle part of the fence. Using the current setup of variables, we check how many posts we have, and then we create a box in a shape of a tall plank. Whenever we're done with this, we continue to the rails with a very similar logic. In this case, we will use allocate compute mesh to save this mesh we're using, so we can use it in between each post. After we do one of these set of rails, 3 in the default, we use append mesh repeated, following the number of posts we have. Finally, releasing all compute meshes to clear the memory we allocated. Let's try it out. As you can see, you can tweak these values in the way you need to create different type of fences, pending your needs. There's a lot more nodes for Geometry Script, more shapes, having automated collisions, Boolean cuts, deforms, and many more. Can also use it in tandem with splines, line traces to automatically detect how to position itself based on its surroundings, etc. Tune in every week for quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.